guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing good. Finally, we are doing this video. I'm gonna give you my home tour and I'm obviously very excited for this. By the way, as you know, I've moved up north and I do live in the middle of nowhere. This is my view. Here, this place is in the middle of nowhere and you won't really see any house nearby. So that's that. दिस इज़ माई ड्राइवे इवन दो अभी मैंने कार यहाँ पे आगे पार्क कर रही है बट जनरली कार एकदम आगे पार्क होती है जहाँ पे वो जीप है एंड जब भी मुझे वर्क पे जाना होता है ना रात को इट गेट्स सो स्कैरी बिकॉज पिच डार्क होता है एंड आई फील लाइक ओ कोई भी कहीं से भी आ जाएगा नॉट जस्ट एनी ह्यूमन बट एनी एनिमल्स तो वो थोड़ा होता है बट दैट्स फाइन आई मीन आई एम डूइंग ओके एनीवे दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस हियर हेलो हेलो वेलकम कम So, this is my place, you guys. As you can see, this is my living room. This is my huge window and obviously यहाँ का view बहुत प्यारा है. I literally adore this view. It's like मेरी morning हमेशा यहीं से start होती है. Whenever I wanna get myself a tea, green tea or anything, I just stand here with this amazing view. And I've got an amazing chandelier right here. Again, I've got a lovely view. I've got two windows here. And this is an unfurnished place, but this place did come up with this chair, so that's that. And right here, this is my only source of heat. This is a fireplace, and bedroom में कोई vent नहीं है, so मैं mostly यहीं पे होती हूँ. Even though I've got a bedroom, but trust me, I stay here most of the times. Then on top, I've got my temple here. I got it recently, like 3-4 months ago. जब दिवाली थी तब मैंने टेम्पल लिया था. Then I've got some candles here. I've got my silver button and I've got some books and some diary to, journal. I'm a fan of journal, so that's that. But अभी तक मैंने start नहीं किया है. Eventually वो सारी खाली हैं. So come, let me show you my kitchen now. So this is my kitchen area. This is my kitchen island. मेरे को एक चीज़ थी हमेशा से जब भी मेरी खुद की स्पेस हो तो वहाँ पे एटलीस्ट किचन आइलैंड हो because I'm obsessed with them. And guess what? I finally have it. And I've got 3 stools right here. Again, like I said, ये unfurnished space है, but owner ने ये provide किया था, so that's that. Then over here, I've got my fridge and I've just got one photo frame in my entire house, that too because my friend got me that. Then this is something that Prab got me. I'm pretty sure you know who Prab is अगर आपने मेरे पहले के vlogs देखे हैं. So, पूरा नहीं सुनाऊंगी, copyright issue आ जाएगा, but ये बहुत प्यारा है. It's one of our pictures that we took when we were doing our internship. Then again, this is my space and you know what the best part about the space is? It's got a dishwasher. I know, you know what? Dishwasher is a lifesaver, you guys. And I finally have it. Then yeah, it's a pretty spacious kitchen and a pretty spacious living room. But obviously मैंने उसको बिल्कुल भी furnish नहीं किया है, जैसा था वैसे ही रहने दिया. अभी kitchen देखते हैं, come. I mean, bedroom देखते हैं, here. So this is my bedroom. Welcome. Okay, this is my air mattress. Lamp उन्होंने provide किया था, even though I have other lamps as well मेरे दूसरे घर पे, but जब यहाँ पे एक था तो मैं obviously नहीं लाई. Then यहाँ का view बहुत अच्छा है. Imagine getting up here with a view like that. I know, right? This view is amazing. If you're following me on Insta and on Snapchat, then आप obviously मेरी stories देखते ही होगे. मैं बहुत stories डालती हूँ because I'm obsessed with my place, you know. Now let me show you the mirror here. Again, room बहुत spacious है. This is my huge mirror and obviously it's a sliding door, closet है पीछे, and that's the only closet space that I've got here. So that's that. This is my bedroom, you guys. Now let's go to the last part, which is my washroom. Come. Okay. Even though there's one more door here, but वहाँ पे laundry है, तो I'm not gonna show you that. And then there's a different house that's connected, so no point. But this is the last part. Come. Okay, so pretty spacious. I've got a bathtub here, and it's everything that I ever wanted. I've got this cupboard जिसको मैंने पूरा भर दिया है. हर चीज़ like fully stuffed है. मेरे पास इतना सामान है जो मैंने अच्छे से डेकोरेट नहीं किया है, but I was like ठीक है, this is it for the time being. So that's that. Let me just shut it. Now let's just talk about how much I actually pay for this one, okay? Give me a sec. Okay, so I pay around $1,250 for this place, and I know it's a bit expensive, but guess what? I don't get to share this space with anyone. I don't have to share this space with anyone, so that's the best part. थोड़ा obviously शांति कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो जाती है because like I said, this place is in the middle of nowhere. View बहुत अच्छा है, but safety wise मुझे कभी थोड़ा थोड़ा डर लगता है. I mean, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, you know. And मैं वैसे यहाँ के लिए एक blind लेकर आने वाली थी. यहाँ पे it's like anyone can see बाहर से. But then like I said, this place is in the middle of nowhere. No one's gonna come here, right? But again, if you'd come here, you'd be able to see everything from here. Like I said, बाहर से अंदर सब दिखता है, like literally सब दिखता है. So it's a little scary in that sense, but otherwise it's okay. So yeah, this is my first house in Canada, you guys. जो मेरा खुद का है, जिसको मैं किसी के साथ भी शेयर नहीं कर रही हूँ, not even with my sister, even though this is her vacation place, obviously that goes without saying. But yeah, I'm living here alone up north all by myself, and I'm here because of work. अभी और भी वीडियोस आएंगी, even though मैं वर्क की अब ज़्यादा वीडियोस नहीं बना सकती हूँ because clearly I'm not really allowed to talk more about my work. Not really talk about it, but just make vlogs there, which is fine. Okay, fine. Let's not go too much into it. Stay connected. Follow me on Insta. Follow me on Snapchat to stay updated and get more updates on my life. Even though मैं इतना active नहीं हूँ YouTube में, but I'm trying my best. But you can definitely follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know how you like my first place in Canada, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.